So if you do not already know about the new YouTube partner requirements, then check out today's video. So let's actually jump onto my computer and let me show you the new YouTube partner program requirements and my best perspectives on how to get that. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get into it. In case you don't already know how to get to the YouTube Studio dashboard, you simply come to your YouTube homepage and you go to your profile, click it, and click on YouTube Studio. In case you don't already know how to do this, same goes on MacBook and Windows. So if we come and we actually go down to earnings and check out this. Right, so since we are now on the YouTube earnings dashboard, we can see that there are two types of eligibilities. We got this one here, and if we scroll down a bit more, we have another one here. Over on part one, where it's saying to you, oh, you need 500 subscribers, you need at least 3 videos uploaded in the last 90 days, or alternatively, you can have 3,000 public watch hours on your YouTube Shorts, or up to 3 million views on your YouTube Shorts. Now, what will this actually get you, you might ask? Essentially, to getting to part 1 of being monetized on YouTube, what will happen is you will gain the perk to access memberships area, as well as supers, which is your live streaming functionality if you do live stream your videos, and you have the ability to engage your audience with a shopping experience, which is pretty much selling your own product. It could be something like merchandise or whatever it may be. And the requirements aren't too bad. It's 500 subscribers, at least 3 videos uploaded in the past 90 days, which is very easy to do, but this doesn't actually give you that much. If you come to the continue to grow section on YouTube, what you will find is that you will need, like it was before, 1,000 watch hours, and you will need at least 4,000 public watch hours, or if you're doing YouTube Shorts, you will need up to 10 million public short views, and this will give you access to absolutely everything. The main reason people want to be partnered on YouTube is to get access to the YouTube Shorts feed, as well as the long form format advertisements. If you reach this eligibility criteria of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you get access to the Shorts feeds ads, as well as the longer form ads. Now, as far as I am aware, the watch page ads, which are the longer form videos such as this, they will pay far more superior than the Shorts feeds ads, but you can definitely do both. I upload YouTube Shorts as well as long form content on this channel, so you can go for both of these and get paid in 2 ways instead of 1. It's pretty much the same as it was before. However, now you've got the ability to get only 500 subscribers, and you will be given access to the super chats feature, as well as a couple of other features I can't remember on top of my head, but I will show them on screen. But of course, your goal as a content creator is not to just go for 1,000 subscribers then stop. I guarantee you that if you reach 1,000 subscribers, you will actually want to produce more content. But what is the thing that you should focus on when you're actually getting started? The answer is very simple. Don't only focus on getting money from YouTube or only being monetized on YouTube. What your main focus should be is the value you can bring to your audience, if that be entertainment, business information, finance information, or whatever it may be. That should be your main focus. Whether you have a gigantic audience or a small concentrated target audience that really values your videos, that should be your main focus. And what you can also be doing is making money outside of the YouTube partner program, so you don't only have one source of income that you can rely on. You can of course get money through the YouTube partner program, but I would also like you to turn YouTube into an actual business. The way I am doing this, and you could be doing something similar as well, is opening up something like a coaching program, a community, or a course, and I'm currently working on all 3 of these at the moment. And if you want to work with me one-on-one in a content creation program, then that is definitely available for you. If you want to check that out, check it out. If you want to check out the one-on-one coaching system, then what you can do is you can check out the first link in the description. The main things in the program we are going to go through is where you are, where you want to be, and how I can help you, as well as what type of content do you want to create, how we can create it, and getting your videos uploaded, as well as things such as accountability, how to schedule in proper time to work on these videos so you don't end up procrastinating or losing time effectively that you can otherwise work on these videos instead of do something like play video games. But of course, if you want to know more information about that, check the link in the description and we can have a free 30-minute call where we can talk about where you are, where you want to be, and if I can genuinely help you. So if you're interested in that, check out the link in the description, as well as comment below if you want to, or you can message me on Instagram. So always be creating content, and I will see you guys next time.